name is Schyler Church. I am a California real estate broker as well as a member of the education department here at Accredited Real Estate Schools. We have a few exciting virtual opportunities for our statewide students in California if they're interested. So I wanted to go over on our website of accreditedschools.com and let you guys know about it if you're interested. We have a virtual one-day crash course coming up this Saturday via Zoom on April 20th from 9 to 5. It's $100 and it is going to be a fast-paced review of the 7 areas of the state test. Test-taking tips are also discussed, practice questions, really great option before taking that state test to help you boost your score. However, if you're looking for something more comprehensive, I wanted to let you know we are having our live 7-night state exam preparation class actually be offered in the virtual format. So, and that is starting tomorrow, Tuesday. So it's Tuesday, April 16th. It goes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday from 6 to 9:30 in the evening, and then Monday through Thursday next week. So we'd be done on April 25th. There'd be a physical workbook, and that is what you'd fill out with us via Zoom. You can also do our in-person one that starts tomorrow at our location in Fair Oaks, but we'll be live streaming it to the camera as well. So both options are $299, whether in person or virtual. This is a very comprehensive option if you're looking for something more a little bit more detailed than just a one day. This is a very great option, and it's the first time we're ever offering our 7-night class via Zoom. And then as always, we do have a ton of other state exam preparation options, so peruse our exam prep tab on our website. It has a lot of great information on here that you can look and see with which one might be interesting to you for preparable for your study method. But if you have any questions, let us know. I just wanted to go over this just in case you're interested, since we have a class starting tomorrow for our 7-night and our 1-day on Saturday. Thanks so much.